Okay, you can go. Is that tickly, baby? Is Daddy making you laugh?
Okay. Okay.
Hi, Kaden.
Okay. Yeah.
We've had a tickle spot, huh? It's the first time. Almost 3 months. He found a tickle spot. Uh-oh. Oh, just kiss time.
Oh, he wanted more.
I know. He's waiting. I love him so much. Buddy, that was funny. Say, Daddy, do again. Do again, Daddy. You ready? Here he comes. I think that's pretty good.